Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? I hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine. Welcome to my class. I am going to introduce you Muhammad Abdur Razzaq, Assistant Teacher, Shreyasganj Power Development Board Secondary School. Today I am going to take class on English Grammar and Composition, Class 8. Topics, prefix and suffix. Dear student, look at the picture. Healthy man, unhealthy man. What senses do you follow in the pictures? Health, after Y, healthy, before un. Look at the pictures and observe them. Joy, en plus enjoy. Affix, beginning. Joyful, affix at the end. Affix, meaning to add something. Affix, meaning to add something. So, dear student, joy before en and joy after full had been added. Hand plus full, handful. So, dear student, could you guys what lesson we are going to enjoy today? So, our today's lesson is prefix and suffix. Learning outcomes. After the end of the lesson, we will be able to define prefix and suffix, different from suffix to prefix. Use suffix and prefix in the sentence. Follow carefully. Able, able. Unable has been added before the word able. So it is called prefix. Able, it has been added after the word able, so it is called suffix. So the definition of the prefix, letter or letters added before any word and senses its meaning is called prefix. Letter or letters added after any word and sense its meaning is called suffix. Now follow the words below. Hand, root dot, under plus hand, an affix called prefix, under. Hand, up plus hand, up hand, an affix called prefix, up. Hand plus full, an affix full called suffix. Hand plus ball, an affix called suffix. So, an affix is a group of letters added at the beginning of a word, is known as prefix, and when added at the end of a word is known as suffix. Root word man, meaning any man, parts of is noun. New word human, meaning ethnic, parts of is adjective. New word humanity, meaning mankind, parts of is noun. Dear student, when you will try to prefix or suffix, you need parts of is. I am going to read some rules and examples. Number 1, verb এর সাথে ডিজ যোগ করে পিভরি শব্দ গঠন করা যায়। প্রিফিক্স, root word agree, new word disagree, honest, dishonest, like, dis plus like, dislike, dis plus obey, disobey, dis plus allow, disallow. প্রিফিক্সের মাধ্যমে গঠিত শব্দ প্রায়ই মূল শব্দের বিপরীত অর্থ প্রকাশ করে। মিস প্লাস কন্ডাক্ট, নিউ ওয়ার্ড মিসকন্ডাক্ট। মিস প্লাস ফরচুন, নিউ ওয়ার্ড মিসফরচুন। মিস প্লাস টেক, নিউ ওয়ার্ড মিস্টেক। নন প্লাস সেন্স, নিউ ওয়ার্ড ননসেন্স। Stop, non plus stop, non-stop. Prefix, noun oblique adjective, antonyms. Un plus able, unable. Common, un plus common, uncommon. Un plus necessary, antonyms unnecessary. Un plus usual, antonym unusual. Prefix adjective, opposite adjective. In plus ability, inability. In plus active, opposite adjective, inactive. In plus visible, opposite adjective, invisible. Ir plus adjective, regular, irregular. Ir plus responsible, irresponsible. Resistible, irresistible. নাউন অবলিক অ্যাডজেক্টিভের সাথে ইএন যোগ করে ভাগ গঠন করা যায়। ইএন প্লাস জয়, এনজয়। ইএন প্লাস লার্জ প্লাস ভার্ব enlarge. In plus courage, encourage. Reach. En plus reach, enrich. En plus list, enlist. En plus title, entitle. অ্যাডজেক্টিভের সাথে আইএল অবলিক আইএম অবলিক আইএন অবলিক আইআর মিন্স নট যোগ করে অপোজিট অ্যাডজেক্টিভ গঠন করা যায়। লিগ্যাল আইএল যোগ করে ইললিগ্যাল। লিটারেট আইএল যোগ করে ইলিটারেট। আইএম ব্যালেন্স ইমব্যালেন্স। M plus mortal, opposite adjective immortal. Observe some prefixes. Balance, balance. I am যোগ করি imbalance. Just, in unjust. Suffix. অধিকাংশ ক্ষেত্রে সাফিক্স যোগ হয়ে মূল শব্দের অর্থের পরিবর্তন না হয়ে পদের পরিবর্তন ঘটে। Parts of it will be changed. Beauty plus full, beautiful. Care plus full, careful. Use plus full, useful. Slow plus alloy, slowly. Weak plus alloy, weakly. Another suffix, less. Aim plus less, aimless. Care plus less, careless. Use plus less, useless. Ness. Happy plus ness, happiness. Kind plus ness, kindness. ভার্ব এবং নাউনের সাথে এবল যোগ করে অ্যাডজেক্টিভ গঠন করা যায়। ড্রিঙ্ক প্লাস এবল, ড্রিঙ্কেবল। বিয়ার প্লাস এবল, বিয়ারেবল। ফরগেট প্লাস এবল, ফরগেটেবল। রিজন প্লাস এবল, রিজনেবল। ফ্যাশন প্লাস এবল, ফ্যাশনেবল। Boy plus hood, boyhood. Child plus hood, childhood. False plus hood, falsehood. Dom, free plus dom, freedom. King plus dom, kingdom. Man plus employ, employment. Govern plus meant, government. Develop plus meant, development. Improve plus meant, improvement. Treat plus meant, treatment. Verb suffix noun plus son, notify plus son, notification. Attend plus son, attention. Nationalize plus son, nationalization. Son, S-I-O-N. Decide plus son, decision. Provide plus son, provision. Observe some suffixes. Farm. This is a farm. Farmer. As you look. Patriot, patriotic. Add some suffix or prefix with the word in bracket. This is a card. Woman, she has no bracket able to buy a card. So the answer will be ability. Add suffix or prefix with the word in bracket. Our Prime Minister is rewarded for her bracket human. Possessive after noun. So human, the noun form is humanity. Add prefix or suffix with the word in bracket. Look at the picture. Enjoyable. The performance of the man is really bracket wonder. Adverb plus adjective. So wonderful adjective, wonder adjective, wonderful. The answer is wonderful. Use prefix with the root words below. Common, call, like, take, forest. Common, uncommon, prefix. Call, recall. Like, dislike. Take, mistake. Forest, deforest. Answer the following questions. Dear student, you have been given some question and try to understand with the help of the topic. What is the common name of the group of letters added to the root word? Number 2, what is prefix? Number 3, what is suffix? Number 4, why do we use prefix and suffix? The question number 1 answer is an affix. Number 2, adding before is called prefix. Number 3, adding and is called suffix. Number 4, we use prefix and suffix to form new words. So dear student, look at the picture. They are working. The group add suffix or prefix with the word in bracket. What a beautiful bracket perform they displayed. Noun performance. Adjective beautiful. So especially need noun. So noun is performance. Evaluation. Take the correct answer from alternatives. What is the correct form of prefix of the word reach? Male reach, enrich, recess, non-reach. So answer is enrich. Number 2, what is the correct form of suffix of the word pay? Suffix pays, unpay, payment, impay. So answer is payment. What is the correct form of prefix, suffix, both of the word joy? Enjoy, enjoyment, joyment, means joy. Next question. Try to understand and then I will give you answer. What is the correct form of prefix of the word operate? Operation, operator, cooperate, cooperation. Next, what is the correct form of prefix, suffix, both of the word employ? Unemploy, employee, unemployment, non-employ. So number 3 answer is enjoyment. Number 4 answer is cooperate, prefix, prefix, suffix, both unemployment. Complete the text adding suffix, prefixes or the both with the words given in the parentheses. Teacher, number A, use dash to man in many ways. They are companion in our day life. It is B number, possible dash to build our homes, furniture, etc. Without trees, trees save us from flood and number C, nature dash calamities. It number D, strength dash the soil. If we cut trees, number E, discriminately dash, there will be ecological F number balance dash. So T, G number plant dash program should be extended for a better. H number happy dash, I number healthy dash, and J number peace dash environment. The student, check your answer. Number A, useful. Number B, impossible. Number C, natural. Number D, strengthens. Indiscriminately imbalance. Number F. Number G, plantation. Number A is happier. Number I, healthier. Number J, peaceful. You can take screenshot to check your answer. The student, you have been described about prefix or suffix or both the situation. I hope you have understood the topic. Now try to utmost to answer given you homework. Different the suffix and prefix of the word of the following phrases after adding suffix and prefix. Number A, friend dash is a strong. Number B, bond dash. It does not know the. Number C, differ dash between the rich and poor. It is, and number D, emotion dash, attachment based on mutual trust. In that sense, a friend is both. Number E, rely dash, and F number believe dash, who is ready to help us in any the number danger dash situation. Therefore, the person who does not have a good friend is really H number fortunate dash. His total number I dash deprived of enjoying the J number please dash of friendship. Try to answer, and in the next class you may ask me about the answer. So, dear student, look at the picture. There is some instruction given for you that is for safety for you. Stay home, stay safe, stay home and learn. There is some virus, coronavirus, and use hand sanitizer. If you go out, keep distance 2 meters or 6 feet. Thanks to all. Allah Hafiz.